Mahindra insurance agents assault TV9 News 9 crew at Cunningham Road.
मेरे परिवार को जलील करना, मेरे पति के बारे में बहुत बातें कही जाती हैं.
A hurt Priyanka asks BJP to stop political attack on family. Dry Gujarat seems to be high on liquor this election season. Alcohol worth 12.57 crores seized from several parts of Modi land. Election Commission clamps prohibitory orders in Tamil Nadu. Section 144 imposed throughout the state after 6 p.m. And Rani Mukherjee finally gets hitched. Rani marries Aditya Chopra in a private ceremony in Italy.